Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have one of those, if you need to find where your fog lights, fuses and relays are located, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate in that video today guys. But also if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the link in the video as well. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, now let's go ahead and explain where you can expect to find the fog lights, fuses and relays on that Dodge Charger here now. So what we guys need to do here, we'll be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood facing the engine guys. Okay, facing the engine, doesn't matter if you have V6, V8, the cover is right here. See, that's a fuse box cover. That's on the left side of the engine. Press the tabs, pull the cover up, and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check now. There are not specifically dedicated fuses for fog lights only. Most likely they're routed through the headlights, and depending whether you have HID headlights, you may or may not have all the fuses and relays. We will talk about that. But especially if you have HID headlights, you need to check fuse number 15, fuse number 16, these two fuses right here. Then you need to check relay 46, and that relay 46 is that relay here, and relay 65 right there. After that guys, you need to come and open the trunk. Some models may not have any of the fuses that we just showed, so you come to the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. This is the spare tire, that's a car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box, that's a closer look of it. Again, squish the tabs, pull the cover up. Here you have another fuse box. Here you need to check the exterior lightning fuses, which are in that row right here. That's fuse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fuse number 6 and fuse number 7. If you have problems with fog lights, those are all the fuses relays that we usually check on Dodge Charger. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays. Put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.